The Oklahoma Supreme Court rules against the St. Isidore charter school contract, calling it unconstitutional.
Fox 25's David Chazanoff has reactions from both sides of the case. David, what can you tell us?
Adam and Wendy, both sides are sharing their take on what happened here at the Oklahoma Supreme Court and what it means for the state moving forward.
This was a pivotal moment for education in Oklahoma.
Aaron Brewer is with Oak Plaque, a group that tried to prevent the school from opening in the original lawsuit.
We are so thrilled with the Oklahoma Supreme Court's decision to uphold the Constitution, to defend democracy, to protect our right to religious freedom and taxpayers' and students' rights for the government to not impose religion upon us.
On Tuesday, the Oklahoma Supreme Court said the nation's first religious charter school violates state and federal law and is unconstitutional. St. Isidore principal Misty Smith calls the ruling a setback, also saying she will not give up hope that the court's error may be corrected. Brewer argues in favor of the decision.
We have a right to send our children to school and not have them be indoctrinated with religion that may or may not be the same as what their family practices at home.
Judicial leaders say Oklahoma's constitution prohibits the state from using public money for the benefit or support of any religious institution. Governor Kevin Stitt says he's concerned we've sent a troubling message that religious groups are second class in our education system. Brewer disputes that while speaking on behalf of taxpayers.
Taxpayers are not to have the government impose religion upon us or force us to pay for religion.
The Oklahoma Supreme Court directed the statewide virtual charter school board to rescind its contract. State Superintendent Ryan Walters says this ruling cannot and must not stand, and assures there will be more legal action to support people who believe deeply in religious liberty. But Brewer is pushing back.
The Supreme Court thankfully protected democracy, the Constitution, taxpayers, and our kids from failed politicians like Ryan Walters.
Attorney General Gettner Drummond says while he understands that the governor and other politicians are disappointed with this outcome, he hopes that Oklahomans can rejoice that they will not be compelled to fund radical religious schools that violate their faith. Petitions for an appeal must be filed in 10 days, according to court records. Reporting live in Oklahoma City, David Chazanoff, Fox 25 News.